Welcome to the personal property tour for 10 Park Drive in Leven. This is a fantastic 2-bedroomed terrace property. It's a beautiful family home. You've got a lovely garden to the front, you've got a seating arrangement to the front as well, you've got stunning views across King George Park. To the rear you've got a really nice tiered garden. You also have off-street parking for 2 or 3 vehicles, and you have a garage. This has got a lot to offer. I'm going to just flip the camera and let you see the view from the front gate, literally where I'm standing. So as you can see, you've got a really open aspect, which is fantastic. And this is the property. So it's this property here. So as you can see, it's a lovely landscape garden. And you'll see there just to the left, there is a shared pen as well. That's really just for bin access, etc. But it's a really nice property. Low maintenance and landscape to the front. Current owners have done a really great job. You've got this bonus seating area as well, which on a day like today, it's lovely and sunny. It is fantastic. You can tell by the finish that it's going to be quite nice inside. You've got this beautiful stained glass window, so your little porch. And I'll take you on the tour. So come straight into the front hallway. So a great place for just putting the kids' clothes, etc., and their coats and booties. We'll take you up the stairs. So upstairs we have 2 double bedrooms. So straight ahead we have the first of the double bedrooms. So as you'll see, it's a lovely spacious bedroom, currently utilised as a children's room. Really spacious, big window, lovely and bright. Lots of space in this room. So it's a great size double. Then we'll go into the upper hallway again, just managing the kids' gates. And then through here, go into the master bedroom. This one is a really good size. Got these double windows, it's lovely and bright. It's a sunny day, so you probably get that feeling. Lovely space. To the left here as well, we've got a really great closet. So lots of storage and hanging in there. And as you can see, it's a good sized room. Beautiful and bright house. And then straight opposite the master is the bathroom. So you can tell by the finish in the bathroom as well. Got the lovely vanity wash hand basin. Got P-shaped bath. And you've got the rainfall shower with thermostatic control as well. So lots of space in this one. And I'll take you downstairs. So again, you'll see how bright it is. You've got that lovely stained glass window on the door as well. So it's really pretty. And then we're going to the lounge. So it's a good sized room. As you can see, you've got that feature fireplace, which is lovely. It's a great sized room. And these are quite big sofas in this property, so you can get a flavour for the size. And again, lovely big window, really nice and bright, and you can see the gorgeous views you're getting from your lounge as well. Nothing in front of you. It's a really nice space. I've got storage here too, which is great. And a sleepy pussycat, and that's Belle saying hello. So it's a great room. Really nice family home, this one. I'm going to the kitchen. So kitchen is a really nice size kitchen. So you've got this area to the top. So you've got plenty of space for breakfast and kitchen area. So the family pull this one out here. Got a really good sized cupboard here as well. But if I flip it round, you'll get a feeling for actually the length of this kitchen now. Lots of space for all your white goods. Really is a nice space. Go back down to the bottom. Give you a flavour for, again, overlooking the rear garden. So lots of windows, lovely and bright. And then we'll go out into the garden area. So the garden's lovely and enclosed, as you'll see as soon as you come out. So it's a great garden space. The gate here is from the pen at the front that I showed you, and that just allows you to kind of come and go with your bins as well. So you've got raised border area here, which is nice, just bits of splash of colour. Then you've got steps. And again, you can see all these nice colourful areas of the garden. So it's tiered, as I said. You come into this bit, which is the children's play area. So lots of space here, safe and secure for your family. Got a shed here for storage as well. So we'll just come up these little steps. So a really nice way they've done this. The landscaping's great in here. And if we just turn here, you can also see this lovely sitting arrangement here as well. So kids are playing here, you're sat there. It's just fabulous. If we come up here and go through the back gates, this is where it gets extra special. Off-street parking. So to the back, I'll just show you. So this is the gate that I've just come through, as you can see. So you've got from here to that fence bit there. So you literally could get 3 cars in here. And you've got that timber garage as well. So it's a great additional space. It's so quiet here. And it just takes you straight into the garden, which you can see is really nice. So it's fully secure garden, which is great for the children. So as I say, it's a 2-bedroom family home. It's at 10 Park Drive in Leven. You've got fantastic views to the front, really sociable space outside. You've got off-street parking. You've got this timber garage. Really is a lovely home in moving condition. This one is on with ourselves at the moment for offers over 115,000. If this is of interest to you, you can message me here directly, or you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. Added bonuses around this area. Literally, you've got King George's Park just opposite the property, which is lovely. You've got St Agatha's Primary School. You've got the amenities at the Broom behind. You're literally just down the hill. The commute is great. You're at Leven Glen, the main drag into Leven High Street, the beaches, the swimming pool, and then you can go straight across the coast. You're up to Silverburn and along to the East Neuk. Kirkcaldy train station, Leven train station, which is going to be opening soon, really does offer everything in this location. And I'm Perry, 5 Properties TV. This one's a cracker. Bye.